I'm just gonna show you a quick way. If your headphone doesn't work on your iPhone, that causes because of two reasons. One, if there are a lot of dust and that's blocking up the connection between the head jack and the headphone jack. So to do so, you would need to clean the inside the head jack port with some with something that doesn't cause a lot of damage on it. So you need to look through this and see if there are dust and everything. Just clean it out and this should work. And if that doesn't work, that means you need to replace this head jack. To replace that, we need to get a new one for this one, and we have opened this iPhone because the first method didn't work, so we need to replace it. So there are some screws on the top. We just need to remove those screws, and once you remove those screws, you need to reveal everything underneath here. Although this iPhone is a water damage, I don't know the history of this phone, so I just need to get the headphone fixed. So we need to disconnect the signal antenna. Yeah, I can't see rust and everything on the phone, but I don't the phone's still working, which is a good thing, but let's just take this off. So we're just gonna remove this. Okay, there we go. We remove this one. This was naked. I don't know what the cause was, but it's naked. For this one, we got a new one to replace with. Here we go. So we're gonna apply the same way and put it at the same way at the same place. Put the screws back on, and then your headphone jack should work, and you can listen to your music via your headphones. There's one more thing. There's a microphone rubber shield, whatever you call it, that you need to take this one off, which is right here. I can see. Let me just show you. This rubber shield, just need to take this one off from the old one, because you need to put it on the new one. So the same way we apply just put this underneath here. So make sure everything is on its place. So while you do this job, before you actually start this job, you would need to disconnect the battery, to be on a safe side, really. There you go. So put everything nicely. I'm gonna screw up everything back in.